In this video, I'll show you how you can calculate the range in your Excel. Now, first of all, as you can see, we have a data set right here with many different numbers. And the first thing you want to do to calculate the range is we need to find the smallest. Now, it's easy to find it here just by looking, but what you can do if you have a lot more numbers is you can type this, equals small, bracket, and select the whole data set. Then type comma 1, just like that. It will show you the smallest number in here, which is 11. And then we need to find the biggest one, which you can type equals large, bracket, select everything, comma 1. And as you can see, now we have the smallest, it's right here, and we have the largest. Now, to find the range, what you want to do is simply type equals, select the big number, minus it, the small one, and it will be 16. So now we have calculated in this data set right here that the range will be 16. So that's basically how you can do it in Excel, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.